Hi everyone! Alam ko, lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang goals sa buhay. Isa sa mga goals natin, magkabahay, magkakotse, mag-travel, at higit sa lahat magkaroon ng ipon. Pero dapat may goal ka din na magkaroon ng pangkabuhayan. Looking for an extra income or want to start a part-time income? Be a JC Authorized Wholesaler at Dropshipper na. Alam mo ba na pagiging JC Authorized Wholesaler at Dropshipper is made simpler for you? Sobrang simple lang ito. Dahil dito, you don't have to worry about your rental expense, monthly dues, and physical store. Ang kailangan mo lang ay ang iyong cellphone at internet. At kahit nasa bahay ka lang, pwede ka na mag-part-time at magkaroon ng extra income. Paano ka nga ba kikita? Let me tell you. 1,200 pesos na JC Organic Barley Juice times, di natin 2 customers, so that's 2,400 pesos times 60% commission mo. So meron 1,440 pesos a day. And then times 30 days mo lang. So meron kang total of 53,200 monthly. Imagine that. Simple lang magkaroon ng extra income at part-time. Extra income, be a JC Authorized Wholesaler at Dropshipper na.
Isa ka din ba sa mga nag-struggle magpapayat o magbawas ng timbang? Losing weight is always a constant battle between junk foods and healthy foods. But I want to share something with you. Merong natural weight loss stimulator na maaari mong i-partner sa exercise at diet. At ito ang barley. Ang barley is a fiber-rich grain na kinakain as a rice substitute. Katulad din ito ng oatmeal at whole wheat na kilala to help shed some weight. So, how does barley promote weight loss? Number 1, it regulates your blood sugar level. Number 2, it has low glycemic index. Number 3, it detoxifies the body and it also cleanses the gut. Number 4, it is high in fiber so it makes you feel full easily. And lastly, number 5, it has a low calorie count. Ang isang baso ng barley will keep your digestive game strong, which is key to losing weight. So drink your barley regularly to reach your fitness goals quickly.
I was diagnosed with adenomyosis. You know, the quality of life being bad for me because, I really did feel hopeless. It was almost like I was lying in bed the whole day because I would be wearing diaper of the heavy bleeding. That's when it happened that I was rushed to the ER because hindi ko na kinaya yung pain. Hi, I'm Nikki Fernando, 42 years old, former OFW and corporate employee, and now a housewife. You could call me the Jill of all trades because I've done so many jobs before I got sick. I was in OFW, doing overtime jobs, overtime work, walang day off, sa Qatar yun. So we worked at the airport. So talagang kayod, you would take the chance to do overtime kasi kailangan mo ng pera for the family. And during that time, senior citizen na yung parents ko. So it was like I was the one providing money for them. And then when I got back here to the Philippines, from call center agent, corporate agent, also doing, recreational receptionist, all the jobs you can, I did it. Kahit yung mga tiyangge, pinatulan ko na. I was diagnosed with adenomyosis, also related to hormonal imbalance, which means estrogen dominance and insulin resistance. So I became pre-diabetic. So with adenomyosis, it's the lining ng uterus that becomes thickened pag nagkakaroon ng menstrual period. The quality of life really bad for me because, I really did feel hopeless. I couldn't do anything to help my family. I couldn't go to work because I was, even sitting down was hard because of the heavy bleeding. Then work from home jobs, hindi ko magawa. So yung bleeding ko before, I would be using maternity pads to already about diapers. So the whole day, I would be changing. If it's maternity pads, I would be changing it every 2 hours. Ganun ka-heavy yung bleeding. So in 2024, May, that's when it happened that I was rushed to the ER because hindi ko na kinaya yung pain, uterus ko or sa husband ko. So even yung painkillers hindi na tumatalab. So I had to do so much research, so much of asking the doctors what supplements, what medicine na kailangan ko. And I was very firm with them that I didn't want to do a lot of, chemicals. So I researched about it. And then that's when I came across on social media yung JC Organic Barley and JC Premium. I took a JC Organic Barley for several months. I started July of 2025. 3 months in of continuously taking it, I drink it 2 times a day. So it's not only JC Organic Barley but the JC Ginger Barley as well kasi it helps with my anti-inflammation. So magaling siya, gradually nag-stop yung bleeding. So, and then yung pain, kasi before I couldn't go out without taking my painkillers. Ngayon, really, totally off na ako sa painkillers. So, taking JC Organic Barley for 3 months and seeing the changes, tinuloy ko siya up until now. So, I think that's already the miracle because I don't have any breathing anymore. Actually, Actually, I just had my HbA1c test a month ago and I'm no longer too diabetic. So before this organic bar, hindi talaga ako nakakalabas. Hindi ako nakatayo, hindi ako nakakilos. Right now, I'm doing the normal things that normal people do every day. I can drive now again. I can go to the office. I can join my family in whatever activities we have. And I can do normal housewife duties again. I do wish that more people would take JC Organic Bar. I'm just really happy that I found JC Organic Bar because it transformed my life. Kung ano yung ako dati, kumbaga bumalik na siya ngayon, but better. I am Nikki Fernando. Live longer, live better, every day with JC Organic Party.
Because of my curiosity, I tried out the product and I was pleasantly surprised that it made me feel fresher. It made me feel actually more energetic the whole day. Hi, I'm Annette Gozan Valdez. I'm 51 years old and I work for GMA. Well, of course, I always have to make sure that I'm feeling fresh the whole day because I work from morning until night. Of course, you always want to be fresh. Actually, I've been hearing about K-Pads from my friends and I really didn't know anything about it. And then one of my friends showed me a demo and I was quite impressed and I didn't know anything about it. Because of my curiosity, I tried out the product and I was pleasantly surprised that it made me feel fresher. It made me feel actually more energetic the whole day. I was really surprised when I first used K-Pads. It really had this cooling effect that I never experienced with any other pad. And it stayed that way the whole day. So it really made me feel fresh from morning until night. I think my moods became more constant. Even in the afternoon, even in the evening, I was feeling still okay, fresh, energetic, less stressed. I don't know if that's attributable to K-Pads, but I really noticed a difference in my mood for the positive. You can really feel the difference when you use K-Pads. You can feel it. There's also a long-lasting effect. I think it made me feel healthier when I started using it. So I really like the product. Yes, I'm already part of the Caring Caring squad and I would really recommend it to my friends. Again, I'm Annette Gozan Valdez. Always be at your best with K-Pads.
I have rheumatoid arthritis. Meron din po ako high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Yung aking rheumatoid arthritis is namamaga po yung mga joints ko doon. All the joints, yung finger, no? Sa matukak, ito na nga yung side effect nun eh. 20 years kong daladaring sakit na yan. Which is talagang, wow, super hirap. Hello everybody. My name is Carlos Sogo. I'm already 65 years old and I'm retired. Before I was working in Taiwan and my work there is as a dishwasher. As a dishwasher, alam niyo po, ang hirap po talaga na meron tayo iniinda sa ating mga kamay. Actually, the first time na introduce sila sa atin yung JC Organic Garlic, sabi ko, may doubt ako nun eh. Sabi ko, kasi before, I have already tried a lot of barley. But different brand, hindi katulad sa ating JC. Sabi ko, are you sure? Are you sure na talagang effective yan? Dahil ako, meron akong rheumatoid arthritis. At matagal ko na ito inutinda. Dahil, opo, 100%. Doon, that's why sabi ko, uy, gusto mo naman na ito. Really effective siya. And yun, so aside from the rheumatoid arthritis, napagaling dito yung ating high cholesterol, yung ating blood pressure na normal. During that time, sa totoo lang, hindi ko siya may close yung aking kamay. Dalawang kamay ko, hindi ko may forearm cyst. Pero ngayon, kita nyo, this is what happened to my hands. Okay? Ayan po. So, I'm very thankful that this contaminating garlic juice. You are really heaven sent. I'm a living testimony. Makikita niyo po talaga effect nito. Walang may piling edad. 65, 80, or you are younger, take this juice. Even though, let's say kung meron kayong maintenance na gamot, pwede po actually sabayan. So yun lang po ang aking recommendation. Huwag po tayo matatapos dahil ating JC Organic Garden Juice is and never have any side effect kahit nagsabayan pa ng synthetic medicine.
Alam niyo ba na may pangalawang utak ang katawan natin? And that's the gut. Okay, share ko lang guys, someone asked, bakit nga ba kinukonsiderang second brain ang gut? Ano nga ba ito? Let me explain something. Ang gut natin ay ang gastrointestinal tract, yung buong daluyan ng pagkain mula sa lalamunan patungo sa mga bituka natin. Ang salitang gut ay nagmula sa Old English word na gutas, na ang ibig sabihin ay channels or passageways. Mula sa bibig hanggang sa labasan, it's a 30-foot long tube. Akala ng nakararami na tagatunaw lang ng pagkain ang gut. Pero hindi. Ang buong gut ay nababalot ng sarili nitong nervous system. Tinatawag itong enteric nervous system or ENS. It is made up of over 500 million neurons. At ito mismo ang tinatawag nating second brain. Bakit second brain? Dahil sobrang talino nito. Kaya nitong gumana independently. Kahit maputol ang connection ng tiyan mo sa main brain, kaya pa rin nitong i-control ang sarili niya. Sa loob niyan, may nakatira na 38 trillion microorganisms, kagaya na lang ng bacteria, fungi, at viruses. Mas marami pa silang cells kaysa sa human cells mo. Tinatawag itong microbiome. At alam niyo ba na 95% sa happy hormones natin ay hindi ginagawa sa utak natin, kundi sa loob ng tiyan mo. So, kapag magulo ang gut mo, madali kang magkasakit, madali kang mapagod, at apektado pati ang mood mo. Super connected ang tiyan at utak natin gamit ang isang makapal na kable na tinatawag na vagus nerve. Kaya kapag super stress ka, napapansin mo, minsan sumasakit ang tiyan mo o sinisikmura ka. And vice versa. Kapag puro junk food ang kinakain mo at nasira ang gut bacteria mo, nagpapadala ito ng stress signal sa utak mo which triggers anxiety, brain fog at depression. To keep the balance, kailangan natin ng reinforcement. Gaya na lang ng ginagawa ko, I take JC Probiotics every day para sigurado na buhay at sapat ang good bacteria sa loob ng katawan ko. Supplement ito para masuportahan ang gut ko. Kaya totoo ang kasabihang trust your gut feeling dahil literal na nakakaramdam, nag-iisip at kumakausap yung tiyan mo sa utak mo. The mind thinks, the heart feels, but the gut sustains. Yun lang. Bye!